Mr. Dead Bones, Mr. Dead Bones, cause I can. Looting caskets of a dead fucking man in the graveyard. You heard me retard, I'm the keeper of the bones. They call me Mr. Dead Bones. Yeah. One more verse. Handed down from generation to generation. I'm patient for my son to grow up so I can place him in the place of my patrons. In the heart of my work, take the bones from anyone Korean and Haitians. After everyone leaves, I crawl from my space and casket after casket call me a brave man. Back to basics and grab the ones I'm chasing, so my clients can affect my human race. Man, example, one day a challenge I'm facing. Thought this was gonna be a piece of cake, damn. After I take the parts, bring them down to my basement. Wait to bring them to my fucking patience. It's a race, man, the cops are on my chase, and I'm trying to persuade them, not bring them to base, damn. They got me, the guns are what I'm facing. Hear a loud noise, my soul's never spaced, damn. Mr. Dead Bones, cause I can. Moving caskets of a dead fucking man in the graveyard. You heard me retard, I'm the keeper of the bones. They call me Mr. Dead Bones, Mr. Dead Bones, cause I can. Moving caskets of a dead fucking man in the graveyard. You heard me retard, I'm the keeper of the bones. They call me Mr. Dead Bones.